At number 1, we have the OCOOPA Magnetic Rechargeable Hand Warmers UT3 Pro, a premium cold weather essential designed to deliver true double warmth anytime, anywhere. Powered by a massive 1,000 kilowatt rechargeable battery, these hand warmers provide up to 15 hours of continuous heat, making them perfect for long outdoor adventures or all-day use. With a maximum temperature of 136 degrees Fahrenheit, they heat up quickly and keep your hands comfortably warm, even in freezing conditions. What truly sets the UT3 Pro apart is its magnetic double-sided design. You can use them together for maximum warmth, or separate them to warm both hands individually. Designed for both men and women, these hand warmers are ideal for golf, hunting, camping, hiking, commuting, or any cold weather activity. They're compact, stylish, and easy to slip into your pockets, gloves, or bag. OCOOPA also offers multiple versions and color options, so you can choose the perfect fit for your lifestyle or gift needs. With powerful performance and premium build quality, the OCOOPA UT3 Pro earns our top spot as the best hand warmers on the market.
At number 2, we have the game changer for cold hands, the Dnaleao Rechargeable Hand Warmers. Tired of freezing fingers? This heats up in just 1 second. Its sleek, ergonomic design is perfectly portable. Slide it into any pocket for warmth on the go, whether you're hiking, commuting, or watching a game. This 2-pack offers double-sided warmth with 3 adjustable heat levels up to 131 degrees. With a 4,000 mAh battery, enjoy up to 12 hours of cozy heat. Safety is guaranteed with UL, CE, and FCC certifications, and an intelligent system that prevents overheating. It's the safe, smart choice for winter. Don't let the cold win. Get the Dnaleao Hand Warmers 2-pack, the perfect winter essential and the ideal gift for anyone you love.
And number 3, we have a compact and multifunctional rechargeable hand warmer designed for warmth and convenience. This smart device features a 5,200 mAh lithium-ion battery, delivering up to 9 hours of continuous heat, making it perfect for long days outdoors or cold weather travel. With dual-sided heating that reaches up to 120 degrees Fahrenheit, it provides fast, even warmth right in your hands. You can easily customize your comfort using 6 adjustable heat settings, allowing you to choose the perfect temperature for any situation. Beyond warming your hands, this device also doubles as a portable power bank, capable of charging USB-compatible devices such as smartphones, tablets, and cameras. Packaged neatly in a window box and known as Model Z4A18, this hand warmer combines reliable warmth, smart features, and everyday practicality, making it a solid choice at number 3. At number 4, we have the game-changing UNIHAND AI Rechargeable Hand Warmers. This smart solution for cold weather can be combined into one palm-sized heater for 360-degree warmth. Or use them separately, hold one in each hand, or even share one with a friend. The choice is yours. What sets them apart is the AI temperature sensor chip. It offers 3 precise heat levels and monitors temperature for safe, consistent warmth up to 130 degrees sticky. Powered by a 6,000 mAh battery, enjoy an incredible 8.5 to 20 hours of warmth. That's an entire day of cozy comfort. Check your battery and heat level at a glance and recharge quickly with the included Type-C cable. With supercar-inspired design and multiple colors, it's the perfect winter gift for anyone on your list. Stay warm with UNIHAND AI.
Number 5, we have the classic Zippo refillable hand warmer. A compact, reliable solution built with a durable metal construction that's easy to carry in your pocket. It's completely reusable, featuring easy fill technology and providing up to 12 hours of gentle, flameless warmth. Unlike electric warmers, there are no batteries or cords. Just dependable warmth for hunting, fishing, camping, or any cold weather activity. Available in classic finishes and backed by a 2-year warranty, the Zippo hand warmer is a trusted essential for any outdoor enthusiast.